The next negative trait is obeying people in things which lead to the disobedience of Allah, the Exalted. A person behaves in this way as they believe other people can somehow grant them a benefit or protect them from some harm. In reality, the only one who can give a person this is Allah, the Exalted. If a Muslim obeys people and disobeys Allah, the Exalted, Allah, the Exalted, will turn the people against them and not protect them from their negative effects. But if someone obeys Allah, the Exalted, even if it displeases people, Allah, the Exalted, will protect them from their negative effects, even if this protection is not obvious to them. Chapter 10 Yunus, verse 107.
And if Allah should touch you with adversity, there is no remover of it except Him, and if He intends for you good, then there is no repeller of His bounty. He causes it to reach whom He wills of His servants.
A Muslim must understand that people are completely dependent on Allah, the Exalted. In reality, the one who is not self-sufficient is incapable of fulfilling the needs of others. Allah, the Exalted, only uses some people to fulfill the needs of others, but the source of the blessings is only Allah, the Exalted. Therefore, if one obeys the source, which involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions and facing destiny with patience, they will always gain support. But if they disobey the source, they will not gain any benefit from another who themselves is in need of support from Allah, the Exalted. This is like a lost traveler seeking directions from another lost traveler. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 175.
So fear them not, but fear me.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.